Hey friends, welcome back to the Daily Health Shift. I'm Daniel. Today's topic is stress management basics, how to stay calm and focused in a busy world. Stress is unavoidable, but how we handle it shapes our health, focus, and happiness. Today we'll cover why stress management matters, common mistakes people make, my personal experience, and a step-by-step plan you can start today. Stress isn't just about feeling overwhelmed. It directly impacts everything from your immune system to long-term brain health. Chronic stress can lead to heart disease, poor sleep, weight gain, and mental health issues. The American Psychological Association reports that 75% of adults experience physical or emotional symptoms from stress. Stress triggers cortisol release, which in small doses helps us respond to challenges. But when cortisol stays elevated, it disrupts everything from blood sugar to digestion. Personally, I've felt how unmanaged stress saps energy and focus. For months, I found myself wired at night and foggy during the day, until I committed to daily breath work and digital detox time. Listener story. Maria from California shared, "Once I learned simple breathing exercises, my anxiety dropped and I started sleeping better." Another listener, Jordan from Illinois, said, "Meditation and journaling saved me from daily panic attacks." Scientific studies from Stanford University confirm that mindfulness and breath-focused exercises reduce amygdala reactivity, the brain's stress alarm center, leading to lower anxiety and clearer thinking. Additionally, research from the University of California shows that individuals practicing stress management have 25% lower inflammation markers, linking it directly to reduced risk of chronic illnesses like arthritis and diabetes. Mistake 1. Ignoring stress signals. People push through headaches, irritability, or poor sleep without realizing these are stress symptoms. Mistake 2. Over-relying on caffeine or alcohol. Both give short-term relief, but worsen long-term stress cycles. Mistake 3. Not building recovery time into busy days. Without breaks, small stresses accumulate into chronic overwhelm. Mistake 4. Avoiding emotional check-ins. Bottling up feelings increases tension and blocks effective coping. Mistake 5. Trying to fix everything at once. Overloading on self-help routines creates more stress instead of relief. Mistake 6. Comparing your stress management routine to others. Everyone's triggers and solutions are different. Mistake 7. Forgetting the role of physical tension. Tight muscles from stress can reinforce mental stress. Body and mind are connected. Here's my system. Morning and evening breath work, 5 to 10 minutes focusing on box breathing, 4-4-4-4 count, and slower exhales. Daily gratitude journaling with 3 things I'm thankful for and 1 thing I learned each day. Regular walks outside, 20 to 30 minutes, no music or podcasts, just listening to nature. Limiting news and social media exposure to twice a day max. Prioritizing quality sleep. Blackout curtains, magnesium glycinate supplements, consistent 10:30 p.m. bedtime. I also use progressive muscle relaxation techniques before bed and keep a stress journal for deeper reflections weekly. Listener story. James from Texas shared, "After adding morning walks and cutting social media time, I felt clearer and less reactive." Another listener, Priya from New Jersey, said, "Creating a wind-down routine every night stopped my late-night racing thoughts." These stories show small, consistent habits make the biggest difference over time. Now let's create your plan. Step 1. Identify your top stress triggers. Write down people, places, situations, and habits that spike tension. Step 2. Choose 2 to 3 stress management habits to start. Pick things that feel easy and realistic. Step 3. Schedule these habits into your day. Attach them to existing routines like after brushing your teeth or before checking email. Step 4. Track mood, energy, and focus each week using a simple journal or app. Bonus tip: build in flex days. If you miss a habit, don't stress, just start again tomorrow. Sample daily stress management schedule. Morning, 5 minutes breath work, write 3 gratitude points. Afternoon, 20-minute walk. Evening, 10-minute wind down, no screens. For weekly structure, I recommend setting a Sunday evening review where you reflect on stress patterns and adjust your plan as needed. Alright friends, that's it for today's episode. If this helped you, share it with someone navigating stress right now. And if you want more real-world health advice, subscribe to the Daily Health Shift. Next week, we're diving into nutrition hacks for consistent energy. I'll see you then.